In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Carrom Pool game app. If you're trying to install this app, but each and every time you are told you can't install it from Play Store, then follow these steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you want to make sure is that you are on your Google Play Store and that you are searching for your app while logged in with your Gmail account. So if you're not logged in, go ahead and first log in with the Gmail account on Google Play Store before you can search for your app. However, if you're already logged in, but you still have the issue, then go to your profile icon up here. And from here, go to settings. From settings, choose network preferences. And under it, you can see we have quite a number of options. Go to app download preference. So if I tap on this, you can see we have quite a number of options. Go ahead and choose this first option over any network. And this will ensure that you are able to install or download apps via any network that you are connected to. Go ahead and tap on OK to save the changes. At this point, go and try installing your app by searching it, and then you should be able to have the problem fixed. However, if you're still experiencing a challenge, then it means the problem might be with the Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to go ahead and access Play Store app info page by just long pressing on it, and you can see the app info option is here. If you can't see this, you should be able to see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access the app info page. And at this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So when cache data accumulates, this might cause your Google Play Store to malfunction and result to having issues while downloading or installing apps. Fix this, go to clear data down below and tap on clear cache, and finally OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared. So I'll go back and restart your smartphone. And once you have restarted your smartphone, now go to Play Store and now search for your app. So I'll just search for Carrom Pool like that. And if I tap on search, you can see our app is here. I'll now go ahead and try to install it. And now, as you can see, I'm able to download and install this app on my smartphone. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues related to Carrom Pool app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.